Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. We are discussing about array tricks. So in this video we are going to discuss about one of the most useful things as the very interesting things. Suppose if I want to convert my array into the query string. So it is very needful things. Sometimes we are getting data from the database with the array format, and we just need to make that things manually into the query string. So easily we can do this with the Laravel helper. So simply suppose we have an array like this and I want to make that things into the query string. So you can understand this is the associative array, and not only simple associative array, this is the multi-dimensional array. Okay, now I want to make this array into the query string. So simply just print that things and let's see how this array is. So just refresh and you can see this is the main array, and inside the main array we have another sub array. Okay, so to make the query string from that array, we can use the Laravel function. To use the Laravel helper function, we can use the illuminate support array, so that array related all function will accessible from here. Okay, now to make the query string, simply we have a Laravel array function. So simply just write array and query, that's it. Okay, and just pass the student. Okay, so this is actually the array name. Okay, now I am taking this as any variable, suppose query string. I just write query string query. Okay, now I want to print that things. Okay, so simply I can echo this as this is the simple string. Now if you just refresh this, you will get the query string. So this is the main array and it's become the query string like this, that is the name John, email john@email.com, just like we have inside the URL, like right, that is the query string. And also we are getting the subject like physics, chemistry, all the things we'll get. Okay, so simply we don't need to write manually and we don't need to think about that thing. Simply just use the query function from the Laravel array, so we can do this easily. So hope you can understand this video, and still if you have any queries about this video, please comment in a below comment section. Next day we're going to discuss about another array related things. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.